What if I told you I couldn't stay? Take me or leave me.
Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a Periwinkle inspired look today. So this look was inspired by this lovely lip color by Colourpop called Make Believe. It's an ultra satin lip, guys. So I saw this online when I was purchasing their glitters and this Periwinkle eyeshadow, and then I saw their lip color and I was like, okay, I really have to try it. I don't think I'll ever wear it out, to be honest, but it's fun to play with nonetheless. Like, I think this turned out okay. Other than the lips, I'll probably change the lip when I go out, but I absolutely love how the eyes turned out, guys, using the glitterally obsessed glitters, body glitter. Yeah, so I got a bunch of those, but I decided to just use the Starfire one, which is like a purpley color, which I absolutely love. It's so nice. I love the glitter, guys. And then I also got to use the Dose of Colors Mickey Mouse eyeshadow palette, which I was waiting for forever, so I'm so happy I got to use that. But yeah, so mainly the look was mainly for the glitter, so I'll do another tutorial with this guy, most likely using that lovely red color. But yes, getting carried away. Sorry. So if you'd like to see how I did this look, please stay tuned. Alright guys, so I finished one eye just because I wasn't sure how this look would turn out. But yes, finally I get to use and play with the Dose of Colors Mickey Mouse 90th Anniversary Eye Palette, guys. I love it. It's so cute. Yes, it's simple. And yeah, the colors may not be that, you know, like unique, but I actually really like this, and I love the packaging. I got the lip colors as well. But I find with this palette, all the colors blend really easily. They're very nice. And my favorite color is actually this one here. This red. It's so unique, and it's not like a bright ass red. It's like I don't even know how to explain it. I did a look with it the other day. Maybe I'll do another tutorial with that one. So stay tuned for that, guys. Actually, it was so nice. So nice! Getting carried away. So the right eye, friends. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into Oh Boy, which is this mauve cool toned transition shade. I'm going to use a fluffy brush. I'm going to go up into the crease, but also above as well. But guys, I can't believe it is December already. I'm so excited for all the Christmas parties and all the festivities, though. But it's kind of crazy because I have something every weekend, so it's like, oh my god. Apologize for the change in lighting. The sun just went away. So annoying. But because of all of these like different things that we're going to, I can't wait to try all these different looks. And I'm slowly getting all my packages now, so I just got the Colourpop stuff. I love the glitters. I honestly didn't think I would. I never got glitter before this. Like, I was always curious, like even with the Urban Decay glitter liners and stuff, but I just never committed to it. And then with Colourpop, it's so cheap and it's so affordable that I couldn't say no. And there was free shipping, so yeah. So to get this area in my eye, friends, I'm just gonna go into a lovely pencil brush into the same color, Oh Boy, and I'm just gonna get right in there, friends. Yeah, so I did a warmer look with this palette yesterday, and then I used the gold glitters from the Colourpop collection, which was so nice and so beautiful. And I think I might do that look, or I might just do that red look with the gold glitter, because the red and that gold goes so well together. There's red sparkles in that glitter as well. And I was thinking of doing like a first impressions review, blah blah blah, but then I feel like there's just so many, and then I just want to play. Okay? Honestly, it's like I love all the stuff that I've been getting. Alright, and now I'm gonna go into the shade Shucks, which is like a dark eggplant purple-like shade. And I'm gonna go into my tapered blending brush. There you go. I really like this brush because it really gets into the crease without messing it up and going above it. So I'm just going to go into that color. I'm going to start on the outer edge. Okay, and then I'm just going to bring it into that crease. So it's definitely focused in the crease, but I also want it slightly above just so you can see here, so it can peek through that glitter that I'm going to apply later. So I'm just running back and forth. Okay, and it's fine if you get it into this lid space, guys, because we're just going to clean it up later with some concealer. Okay, and then back into that same brush that we applied Oh Boy with no additional product. I'm just going to go over, make sure there's no harsh lines. So now I'm going to cut the crease with my concealer, so I'm just going to go into my Born This Way concealer. And I'm just going to stick that right there. So I'm going to go all over the lid except for the outside where that dark purple is concentrated. I'm just using a concealer brush or like a flat brush with a rounded edge. I'm just going to take my time. Oh, the lighting's going to change again. Take your time with this, guys. I promise it's worth it. As I mess up. Ooh! Okay. So I'm going to go to my Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in REM. So I'm assuming that stands for REM Sleep. So it is a beautiful, beautiful periwinkle color, guys. Oh, it matches my nails. Hence why I'm doing periwinkle. But also the lip. I'm really excited for the lip, guys. I don't know how it's going to turn out, honestly, but we shall see. Okay. Sun, go away. I don't like how yellow I'm looking right now. But yes. Yo, I'm going to use my pinky. Da-da. Just going to apply that right where I put that concealer. Oh dear. I hate when the sun pops up because my camera will just change its setting randomly. And yes, I know I can change it. I'm just too lazy to Google how to do that. Okay, so just acting as a base for the glitter. Okay, before I add that glitter, I'm going to reapply some Aw Shucks just on the outside corner. Alright, glitter time. So I decided to go, I was going to do my silver color, but I'm going to go with this purpley glitter color. It's called Starfire. So the reason why I got it, honestly, was because it reminded me of Teen Titans Starfire. Yeah, so I went with that. I have, oops, their Glitterally Obsessed Body Glitter by Colourpop in Starfire, which is so beautiful, guys. I have Star Party as well here with me, that silver I was mentioning. I'll show you the gold one next time just because I'm running out of time. Okay, so Star Party, which is this lovely silver. Oh, ooh, so nice, guys. I'm gonna take just a regular eyeshadow brush, friends. It's really cool, the consistency. It's like this spongy softness. Words. Alright, so I'm just gonna take some onto the brush. Stick that right onto my lid. Right on top of REM. Okay, just take your time, guys. Try not to go over that line. Good. And don't be like me, I totally applied too much at once. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Ran out of memory again. I clearly need a new memory card. I know. So I applied the glitter. I'm not sure where it stopped, but I was dabbing and trying to blend at the same time because I was trying to use a clean blending brush for this side, and I got it into that transition and crease color, which is what you don't want to do because you want that nice matte look with the sparkly and glittery lid. Okay, alright, last thing for now, I'm going to take a smaller brush And I'm going to take the highlighter inside the palette called Beyond Classic. I really like this highlight actually, it's really nice. And I'm just going to apply that into the inner corner. Yeah. Inner corner. And that tear duct area. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do for the eyes for now, guys. I will be right back. I'm just going to apply my face makeup and my eyeliner, lashes, and that's it. Okay, so be right back. Alright guys, so I've applied my foundation, my concealer, my bronzer, and my blush, and my lashes, my liner, and my brows. And yeah, I think that's it. Oh yeah, I totally forgot. So I also got the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and I actually really like how it turned out. I was kind of nervous at first. It looked a lot brighter than the other ones that I had. And also the shade was a little different. It was more cool tone than what I'm used to, but I think it turned out okay. It blends out really easily, and I'll give you an update next time, guys, on how well it turned out. If it stayed on for the rest of the day, if it creases a lot, I'll let you guys know, okay? Alright, so we are going to finish the lower lash line. Oh god. There we go. Alright. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back into Oh Boy and Aw Shucks. I'm just going to mimic what I did in the crease. So I'm just going to take Oh Boy first to that lower lash line. Okay, I'm just going to connect it all the way up to Oh Boy, that is right there. Alright, and then I'm going to go into Aw Shucks. Okay, closer to the lash line. And I'm just gonna go right. Oh, can you see? Okay. I'm just gonna press right into that lash line, guys. I actually really like how this eye look turned out. I wasn't sure how it was gonna end up, to be honest with you, but yeah. Only thing I'm worried about now is the lip. Okay, that periwinkle lip. Just worried how it's gonna look on me. If it's gonna make me look sickly, if it's gonna make my teeth look yellow as fuck, we're gonna see. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish applying mascara on my lower lash line. I always forget that, I find. Okay, so I'm just gonna be here, friends. I just take that wand and I go side to side. Don't just go out, go side to side. That's how you really get that product on there without making too big of a mess. So for highlight, guys, I'm just going to take that shade inside the palette, Beyond Classic. I'm going to use my MAC 140 SES brush that came with the Whisper of Guilt Holiday highlight package thing from MAC last year. So it's just a fluffy fan brush. I'm just going to go right into that shade. Oh yes. Oh yes. Really like this shade. So I'm going to bring it up into the temple area as well. And I'm going to switch into a more coarse fan brush, guys. And I'm going to go right above the brow. A little bit on the forehead. Cupid's bow. To highlight the potential monstrosity that's coming. Chin. Okay. And then with my pinky, that's clean, I'm gonna highlight my nose. Formula is really nice and it's soft. It reminds me of the Desi and Katie Dose of Colors Fuego highlighter. I'm just gonna get the tip of my nose. Bing. Okay. Alright guys, so moment of truth. I'm really nervous, so we're gonna do the lips now. I think it's actually my first time putting it on. Okay, so you're seeing it here. It's my first time putting it on my lips. Okay, so I'm gonna line. Yeah, I'm gonna line my lips with my Spice lip liner from MAC. Okay. I'm already so nervous about this. Ugh. Should probably sharpen this, so that's okay. Alright guys, I'm ready. Maybe. Okay, so we're gonna go into the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in Make Believe, this beautiful periwinkle color which matches my nails. So, oh my god. I'm ready, guys. Okay, I'm ready. God. Holy crap. Okay. Okay, first of all, it's a very nice shape. Not gonna lie. Holy crap, guys. Whew. Okay. Okay. So truthfully, I think this color is so nice, but on me, it looks weird. Like my teeth don't look as white now, and it's like, I don't know. Maybe it's the lighting too, but it's kind of making me look a little sickly. But yes, I will definitely wear the eyes, but the lips, it's a little aggressive. Okay, it's a little aggressive, not gonna lie. Alright, so I'm just gonna finish with my Urban Decay setting spray to lock the eyes, the face in. Okay, probably gonna take off the lip later, not gonna lie. For the sake of playing around though, it was fun. I like this. Okay. Alright guys, and that is it for today. This is the finished Periwinkle inspired look, guys. Okay, so for the sake of making this video, I had a lot of fun making this look. I don't think I would wear this out, to be honest. Depends. I don't know. Do you guys have any ideas how to pair a periwinkle look, especially on Asian skin? I wonder, but yes. Let me know what you guys think of this look. And yeah, stay tuned guys. I'm gonna make a lot more videos with the more my glitters, more with the Mickey Mouse palette, and more videos, just more videos guys. Okay, more videos. And because it's not November anymore, John and I will be making more bartending videos as well. But yes, don't forget to like and subscribe guys. Comment below what you'd like to see, if you like this look, if you didn't like this look, because I'm not too sure how I feel about this look. But yes, remember, you'll never succeed if you're afraid to try. Bye.
I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here?